Hello everyone, welcome back in the next video of functional programming. Understand functional programming terminology. The FCC team had a mood swing and now wants two types of tea, green tea and black tea. General fact, client mood swings are pretty common. With that information, we will need to revisit the create tea function from last challenge to handle various tea requests. We can modify getT to accept a function as a parameter to be able to change the type of tea as it prepares. This makes getT more flexible and gives the programmers more control when client requests change. But first, let's cover some functional terminology. Callbacks. Callbacks are the functions that are slipped or passed into another function to decide the invocation of that function. You may have seen them passed to other methods. For example, in filter, the callback function tells JavaScript the criteria for how to filter an array. Functions that can be assigned to a variable, passed into another function, or returned from another function, just like any other normal value, are called first class function. In JavaScript, all functions are first class functions. The functions that take function as an argument or return function as a return value are called higher order function. The function that takes a function as an argument or return a function as a return value are called higher order function. When the functions are passed into another function or returned from another function, then those functions which get passed in or returned can be called lambda. Task for this challenge: prepare 27 cups of green tea and 13 cups of black tea and store them in T for green team FCC and T for black team FCC variables, respectively. Note that the getT function has been modified so it now takes a function as the first argument. Note the theta, the number of cups of tea, is supplied as the last argument. We will discuss this more in the later lesson. In this case, team for green tea FCC. Get tea and inside that we have to pass a function. In case of prepare tea, we will be sending prepare green tea. And afterward, number of cups 27. Okay, and in second case, get tea prepare black tea, and this will be 13. So 13 black tea. Let's run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, Bye bye.